Most people think you need a 20,000 Rand pocket as well as a sponsorship deal in order to build a professional creator setup. They see the 4K screens, they see the RGB, and they think, no, not for me. But these people, they are wrong. You do not need a big budget, but what you do need is a big strategy. Today we're gonna go through how I built my pro media setup for under 5,000 Rand. And you might be able to do it for even less. I'm talking about 1,000 or even below that. This isn't about buying expensive gear. This is about making your budget gear look elegant. This is a first rule of an expensive looking setup. Try to get all of your gear off of your desk. I'm using a dual monitor arm I found on Takealot. By floating my screens, I instantly double my desk space. But here is the real wizard hack. This screen over here, it's a 500 Rand used monitor I found on Marketplace. It only supports VGA and HDMI. But when you flip it vertically, it transforms the entire vibe. Verticality signals productivity, and it's been perfect for keeping an eye on my stream as well as my chat without losing any focus on the main game. Next up is the audio. Over 50% of a video is what people are able to hear. I'm using the Red Dragon mic, which is about 500 bucks, paired with a 150 Rand mic arm. Both of them I got from Takealot. And the secret here isn't price, it's basically proximity. By having this arm, I can get the mic close to my mouth to get that deep podcast sound without cranking the volume up all the way, which would definitely pick up the background noise. If your mic is on a desk like how mine was, it looks cheap, but when it's on a mic arm, it looks elegant. It makes it look like a professional creator studio. Now let's talk about the peripherals. My mechanical keyboard and wired wireless mouse aren't top of the line, but they are reliable. The brand on it is T-Dagger, which is also available on Amazon as well as Takealot. But look at that PC. Those RGB fans aren't just for cooling, they are for farming aura. I'm a aura farmer. And yes, this fans did not come with the case when I bought it. In my previous video, we built this entire PC, so you'll know the exact prices of the fans. In South Africa, we deal with a lot of load shedding as well as high prices, but your setup should not reflect that. A clean desk from Takealot or a Marketplace steel is basically going to be your canvas. And if you do want to check out my desk, I'll link it below. It's available on Takealot as well as Amazon. Right now, my cable management skills is not great, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me to the store. We're gonna go buy some cable ties and maybe a new mouse mat, and I'm going to show you in real life that upgrading your gaming setup does not cost much. I'm giving myself a budget of 200 Rand to at least come out with one upgrade to the gaming setup. Let's go. And just like that, 3 items totaling to 195 Rand. So my 200 Rand budget is safe, guys. But what did we get? We got our mouse mat, we got the cable ties, and we got the car filming dock thing, which helped me capture some video while I was driving. You don't need 20,000 Rand. No, you need a vertical screen, a decent monitor arm, and the hustle to find the best deals on Facebook Marketplace. If this budget setup just inspired you right now, please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Tune into my live streams as well. We are officially on the road to 10K followers. Stay tuned for my next drop. It's been your boy Kiro. Peace.